2008 Lexus RX 350, all-wheel drive, 52,000 original miles, navigation, backup camera, climate package with heated seats, every option available at the time. This vehicle is flawless. Moonroof. Not a door ding, scratch, rock chip on the vehicle. Telescoping steering wheel, works in and out, up and down. Power seats. Original mats, owner's manual, all keys, wood grain trim interior, navigation, backup camera, 51,252 miles at the time, heated seats, all sets of keys, owner's manual, moonroof, sorry about that. I'm going to hit my unlock button. Literally like new. Still has the cargo cover, has the all-weather trunk cover or trunk area cover, alloy wheels, brand new Michelin tires, (2008) Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive, every option, navigation, backup camera, heated seats, with 51,000 original miles, no accidents, Carfax certified.